Hello everyone, I'm Denise from Basil Food Journal, and we're in my spring garden where I grow a lot of leafy green lettuces in the springtime, and it is early May. So today we're going to talk about how to cut your tender leafy lettuces using a cut and come again style so that you can harvest your lettuces and it will continue to grow and you can continue to harvest. So what you want to do is go around to the outside and start about a half an inch from the bottom and take some of the bigger leaves. Like I'm actually going on the inside here a little bit because the bigger leaves will start to get a little bit bitter. And now this is a mix that we're going to get. This is not the butter crunch lettuce. This is along the more kales, so it's a little crispier. If you cut it now, it won't be as prickly. Today, I haven't taken any of my red lettuces over here, and I'm going to take a couple from the edge because I really like the way this looks in a salad. Down there. And then I'm going to go over here to the side and off to the side. Yep. And you can see how soft and buttery and beautiful these leaves are. So here we are at the rocket arugula, and I've really clipped this pretty hard because I really like it. If our videographer can come here, I clipped this pretty hard the other day, well maybe a week or 10 days ago, and you can see where this is starting to come back, right? Arugula is wonderful. I love arugula. It's tough, it grows. You can pretty much throw the seeds just on the ground and they'll grow. So I'm not going to hit this one today. I'm going to go down here to one that I haven't clipped.
Which you can tell. You can see it visually that you...
Yeah. Actually, I did clip it a while back and it's come back. Arugula will come back faster. I say 3 weeks just to be cautious. You know, not to overpromise here what can happen. And I like to tell people, oh, these are perfect. Now, this takes the shape of arugula that you're used to, the baby arugula. And, but this has a very nice taste. When they're young, oh, I just went after that one. I guess that's my favorite one. Okay, so we're gonna leave this be for a while. I'm gonna take some of the ones that I know look like they're growing. They're gonna overgrow in the time that I let it. Okay, yep, there's that. And this is the parsley, and we're getting just a little bit of this. And I know people are like, well, parsley and cilantro, but for me, and apparently there's a leaf of some lettuce that got in here, so we'll take care of that too. And, all right, we'll throw that in our bag. And this was just extras that I put in. I think that's some more parsley. So this is kind of like our bonus area here. So I feel a little freer doing a little, this is our bonus area. So we're gonna
just chopping whatever.
Yep, that's my little bonus. Yep. Oh, doesn't it look wonderful?
It's so pretty.
It's just beautiful. I really love dill. And so again, I'm just doing a little rotation.
Dill makes everything taste more fresh.
It really does. Dill brightens everything up. This will really go well when we make our dressing today for the salad that we're going to make, along with a vinaigrette with some lemon. These combinations of things really just brighten everything up. And
so summery.
It's very summery. It's bright. It's positive. Yeah, isn't it? And it's so much fun to not have to go to the store to buy this. So what I do in the winter is I dry these. I know there's some people who freeze them. I've never really done that terribly successfully. And apparently some arugula got over here. And the leaves will jump. This time of year they don't necessarily get haven't pollinated the leaves. The seeds will jump.
And that one you're doing right now is the arugula. But
I think
next to it is the basil.
Yeah, a seed, an arugula seed got here. We're gonna snip just a little bit of basil. Not a lot. It needs to be snipped because it's getting a bit leggy. And you want your your basil to be bushy.
You can smell it.
Doesn't it smell wonderful? So, this is probably enough for 2 people. Today, Ryan and I. This is enough for 2 of us.
Yes.
And what we'll do today is we'll probably, oh, you know what? I'm gonna get some of these peas. These pea shoots, because there are so many. And these peas are doing great, so we'll get some pea shoots. And, yeah. Ah, precious little pea shoots. They flowered early, so we're not getting any of the flowers, unfortunately. They flowered too early.
Oh, do they usually have little flowers?
They get little delicate little flowers.
Oh, I guess maybe I've seen that once
Yeah.
or twice.
Yeah, little delicate little flowers. And I know, isn't it great? And what we'll do probably today is we might make some homemade bread, some rolls probably, and I'll roast some chickpeas, and then we'll just make a homemade vinaigrette, which, I'll show you how we do that. And that's what we'll have for our lunch. So everything will have been homemade. And believe me, if I can do it, believe me, anyone can do this.